Welcome to our video where we will uncover 10 side hustles that can rake in $300 or more per day using just a phone. But before we dive right in, let's draw some inspiration from successful people who started right where we are today. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, started his journey by selling books from his garage, which eventually became one of his cornerstone side hustles. Similarly, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started her billion-dollar empire by selling fax machines door-to-door. Speaking from personal experience, I can tell you that side hustles are more than just a way to earn some extra cash. When I started my first side hustle, it was all about making ends meet. But it evolved into something much more. A journey of personal growth, resilience, and entrepreneurship. Side hustles have the potential to unlock doors to opportunities that you never thought possible. So, let's get started and explore these promising side hustles together. Capitalize on your photography skills by sharing your high-quality images on platforms such as Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. You could earn income through photo licensing and sales. For instance, landscape images like the golden hues of an autumn forest, the serene azure of a mountain lake, or the vibrant colors of a bustling city's nightlife are highly coveted on these platforms. Let me tell you about my friend, Sam. Sam's a passionate photographer who decided to turn his love for capturing moments into a lucrative side hustle. His images of urban life, from busy coffee shops to the quiet solitude of a rooftop view, found their niche within the marketplace. He uploaded these photos on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, and before he knew it, he started receiving notifications of purchases and licensing requests from all over the world. He was astounded to see that his passion could fetch him a steady stream of income. With his experience, he vouches for the potential these platforms offer to monetize your unique clicks. Earn your income by testing apps when you join platforms like User Testing or Testbirds as an app tester. You can contribute your insights on the app's usability and functionality. For instance, apps like Instagram and Uber have greatly benefited from user testing in their developmental stages. User feedback on these platforms led to improved features and functionality, resulting in the seamless user experience we see today. I distinctly remember a time when my feedback on a music streaming app's interface, as a tester, led to a complete redesign. The developers took into account my remarks about the lack of a user-friendly search feature, and they made effective changes. Now the app is one of the most popular ones in its niche, with user satisfaction at an all-time high. Offer your skills remotely, becoming a master of virtual assistant services on platforms such as Upwork. Consider the story of Sarah, a successful virtual assistant who manages a variety of tasks for her clients. From scheduling important meetings to managing emails and conducting extensive research, Sarah has become an integral part of her client's team. There's also John, who has built a successful career providing virtual assistance. He runs his clients' errands, manages their social media presence, and even helps with personal shopping. One of the significant advantages of virtual assistants I've personally experienced is the flexibility it allows. I remember when I was overwhelmed with scheduling, emails, and other administrative tasks. Hiring a virtual assistant was a game changer. I was able to delegate the tasks that were taking up so much of my time, freeing up my schedule to focus on the more strategic aspects of my business. The benefits are significant, cost-effective, efficient, and reliable support when you need it. So, don't hesitate to step into the world of virtual assistants, whether providing the service or utilizing it. By promoting products or services, commissions can be earned. Several top-tier affiliate marketers have made a name for themselves on platforms like Amazon or ClickBank. Consider Pat Flynn, who made a fortune promoting security guard training courses on his website, or Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who promotes financial products on her blog, Making Sense of Sense, and earns over $50,000 a month through affiliate marketing. It's not just about promoting any product, it's about finding the right products that resonate with your audience. Let me share a personal story with you. I once knew a young man who was struggling to pay his bills. He stumbled upon the concept of affiliate marketing and decided to give it a try. He spent a couple of months researching the best products to promote, set up his website, and started creating content. In just a year, he was earning more than he ever did from his regular job. He was astounded by the amount of passive income he could generate just by promoting products he believed in. The potential of affiliate marketing is immense. It's all about finding the right strategy, the right product, and the right audience. Share your knowledge by becoming an online tutor on platforms like Chegg Tutors. Excel in popular subjects such as mathematics, English, coding, or even Spanish. Whether you're a math whiz who can simplify complex equations or a seasoned programmer with a knack for breaking down coding concepts, there's a student out there who could use your wisdom. Let me share with you the story of Linda, a retired English teacher who turned her love for teaching into a successful online tutoring career. When Linda first began tutoring online, she was unsure if she would be able to connect with her students in the same way she did in her physical classroom. However, she soon discovered that she could not only reach more students but also make a profound impact on their learning journeys. Today, Linda is one of the most sought-after English tutors online, praised for her patient and personalized tutoring approach. By employing social media management services, businesses can effectively handle their social media accounts. Take for instance, a renowned coffee chain, Starbucks, which has expertly used social media management to increase its global footprint and customer engagement. Similarly, the fashion retailer, Zara, has utilized social media to create a unique brand image and connect with its audience on a personal level. Through the use of tools like Hootsuite for scheduling, both these brands have been able to maintain constant customer engagement. Let me share a personal anecdote as well. I once worked with a small, independent bookstore that was struggling to gain visibility. Once we implemented an effective social media management strategy, their online presence skyrocketed. This led to increased foot traffic in the store and a significant boost in sales. This experience truly demonstrated to me the power and impact of well-managed social media. Popular podcasts like The Daily by The New York Times or The Joe Rogan Experience often rely on editing services to provide their listeners with a smooth audio experience. As a matter of fact, more than just cutting out pauses and stutters, but also modulating tone and volume to make the message clearer. And let me tell you something personal. I once had a friend struggling with his startup podcast. The content was great, but the audio quality was a letdown, with echoes and uneven voice volumes. He decided to use an editing service on Fiverr, and it was transformative. The audio was crisp, the dialogues clear, and his listener base started growing rapidly. Good editing indeed worked like magic. It is not just about removing the noise, it's about amplifying the voice. Join the ranks of successful remote graphic designers like Jacob Cass, the founder of Just Creative, or Melissa Yeager, who's carved out a niche in designing comprehensive UX/UI designs for apps and websites. Do you want to know a secret? I too started my journey in the world of freelance design work by joining platforms like 99 Designs. It opened a whole new world for me. The freedom to choose projects that resonated with my style, the flexibility to work from anywhere, and the exhilarating mix of clients from diverse industries, all these added an invigorating dimension to my design career. Join the league of those who make money by sharing their opinions through platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research, companies that pay for online surveys and reviews. You can also write reviews for products or services on websites like Amazon or Yelp. I remember back in my college days I used to spend a good amount of time participating in online surveys. One of my most memorable experiences was with Vindale Research. Within a short period of 2 weeks I had made $50, just by sharing my thoughts on a few products. A small but meaningful amount that came in handy during my college years. So, share your opinions and let them be a source of added income for you too. Kickstart your e-commerce side hustle by establishing a dropshipping business similar to successful ventures like Wayfair and Zappos, using platforms like Shopify. I remember when I first started my dropshipping business. It was a daunting task initially, but the convenience of managing my store through a mobile app was a game changer. I could literally oversee operations, track sales, and monitor store performance from anywhere at any time. It made my work so much smoother and efficient. So manage your store and sales through mobile apps for a hassle-free experience. In conclusion, from our exploration, we have detailed 10 side hustles that can help you generate an impressive $300 or more per day using just a phone. Many of our viewers have already reaped the benefits of these side hustles. For instance, Sarah from Texas, who started her own digital marketing venture as a side hustle, has now transitioned into it full-time and is making a good living. Similarly, Peter from New York started his hustle with social media management and now handles several high-profile clients. Let me share an inspiring personal story. I started my own journey with side hustles, dabbling a bit here and there. One of those, a freelance writing gig, grew so profitable that my main source of income. These side hustles indeed have the potential to become your full-time job. So, we encourage you to explore these options and find what suits you best. Remember, every large tree was once a small seed. So plant your seed today. Don't to like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. Thank you for watching.